morning, good afternoon, good evening once again. This is Gabriel, Engineer Gabriel, University of Nairobi here in Kenya. As I promised you, today we are going to look at magnetic particle testing. Some of you can ask, what is this? This is a pi gauge. We are going to see it. Magnetic particle testing is another entity or non-destructive testing which is more useful where we check defect near the surface. On surface here we are dealing with ferromagnetic materials. You know, ferromagnetic materials, they are those materials which have strong attraction of magnetic force. They have strong magnetic force, especially iron, those cobalt. This system is a special system we use in NDT to detect, of course, defect or damages. It might be cracks, any kind of flaws, but here we are dealing with magnetism. What is magnetism? These things are on principles of magnetism. So here we have different materials, equipment. This is called AC yoke. These are pieces. This is pi gauge, and I'm considering to use this. These are cosmeter. Of course, whatever we do, we need temperature. We need to detect temperature. So, before we do this, what is magnetism? The principle of magnetism, especially in physics, we usually say that when we have unlike poles, we can see attraction. If we have two magnets about polarity. Now let's start magnetic particle testing process. This is a yoke, AC yoke. These are some product we need. Aldox 800/3. Black magnetic ink, we need the white one. So we have pi gauge. We are going to see how you can see these cracks. How you can see these cracks after applying, after doing different procedures. So of course we have to work in area that have a specific temperature. And by the way, light. Don't forget about light. You have to work in place with light. Yeah, because we need like 1000 lux or 100 FC intensity of light. So to work in this area. So let's start. Here I have my pi gauge. This is an example we are going to use. So first step, whatever we do, in the NDT you have to clean your piece. Whatever you do, you have to clean your piece. So you make it dry. After making it dry, because always we want smooth places. We will see in ultrasonic testing, there we don't need to clean a place because the radiation can pass even paint and go beyond. So, but here, let's assume it has dried. It is almost drying, as you see. So we are going to pour what we call white background. It is used in magnetic particle flow detection. This one allows us to, about sensitivity. You know, when you are doing these things, we need something to be sensible. We have to sense that defect. So we are going to have this. Our pi gauge is clean. We are going to apply Aldox or white chemicals here so that we want sensitivity of things. Let's check the temperature of the pi gauge. It is 19. It is varying 20. Yeah, it is varying 20. So let's apply. As you see, we have applied this white chemicals. Then we are going to apply this black magnetic ink. what we are looking for is a defect. Then we take our yoke. This one is all about magnetism. You know there is electricity here. We have windings here. We have electricity passing here, but it cannot shock you because what we need is magnetism. So when we press this, it is allowable to use 2 seconds and remove, 2 seconds and remove. Let's first create magnetic field. So we can do it 45 degrees. You see how cracks are being shown? As you see, as we apply, it is 2 seconds, then you remove. I hope you can see that you are able to see our cracks. If we want to be sure, let's do it once more. You see here there is no crack. And let's apply our black ink. You see, you can't see cracks, but when we start applying magnetism, remember it is either 90 degrees or 45. You can see the cracks. Hope you are able to see some cracks. So this is how we detect a material using magnetic particle testing. We have different areas you can apply this magnet. Okay, this one is a portable way, but we have those stationary way where we have very big equipment which can detect this defect. But here we are using a yoke. So as we are concluding, when something is magnetized, be careful. Make sure you demagnetize. Don't allow a product to go in the field when it is magnetized. Because when something is magnetized and you did not demagnetize, you are going to cause problems. So after completing this process, you have to demagnetize your component. The way we do demagnetization, we just apply this here, then do this, then we rotate to 180 as we are turning this. So now this component is demagnetized. You know, we started like this. We are demagnetizing this process. We don't want this product to go out with magnetic force or field. So this is what we can say. Thank you so much for taking your time watching this video about non-destructive testing. It's very interesting. It can be used in different applications. This one is more advanced, different industries, aviation, aircraft. We can apply this. So thank you. And don't forget, at every final work we have to clean. So we are going to clean as well. You know, an engineer has to be smart in mind and in action. So thank you. Hope to see you on the next video that say about ultrasonic testing. You can comment, you can share, you can give an advice. It is Gabriel Noon, University of Nairobi. I love you all.